Hello, I am Rutuja Sanju Kulkarni, lecturer at Lok Seva College of Pharmacy, Fulgaon, Pune. Then today we will discuss about blood. What is meant by blood? Blood is a fluid connective tissue circulated in the body. The circulating fluid consists of blood cells. The blood cells are white blood cells and red blood cells. The circulating fluid also consists of the plasma. The physical characteristic of the blood. The blood is viscous, sticky fluid, heavier and thicker than the water. About temperature, blood has temperature about 38 degrees Celsius. About weight, it occupies 8% of total body weight. The average blood volume in male is 5 to 6 liter and in female it is about 4 to 5 liters. Then next about the functions. The blood have main three functions: transportation, regulation and protection. In transportation, blood helps in transportation of oxygen to the body and carbon dioxide from the body. It also transport hormone in the body. It helps to regulate body temperature. This point is in the regulation. Then in protection, blood helps in protection from the pathogen and blood loss. It also supplies nutrients in the cell such as glucose, fatty acid and amino acid. Then we will discuss about the blood components. Blood is made up of two components. First is the blood cells and second is the plasma. The blood cells consist of the red blood cells and white blood cells and platelets. The blood cells occupy 45% of the total average and the plasma is about 55% of total fluid present in our body. Then we will discuss the blood cells. In the blood there are three types of blood cells. First is the erythrocyte. Erythrocytes are also called as red blood cells. Second, leukocytes. Leukocytes are also called as white blood cells. And third, thrombocytes. Thrombocytes are also called as platelets. Then we will discuss one by one. First, red blood cells. Red blood cells are also called as erythrocytes. About their shape, they are biconcave in shape. About their membrane, they have elastic cell membrane. About nucleus, they don't have a nucleus. About their formation, they are formed in red bone marrow. The average life of a red blood cell is 4 months. The main function of RBC is transportation of oxygen and carbon dioxide. Then next we will discuss the white blood cells. The white blood cells are also called as leukocytes. They are colorless. They are much larger than red blood cells. They are formed in bone marrow. They are about 1% in healthy people. Their WBC occupies or contains 700 to 800 per cubic mm of the blood. The main function of WBC are involved in protecting the body against the infectious disease, and it also protect from the outside environment and helps to improve our immunity. Then platelets. Platelets are also called as thrombocytes. The nucleus are absent in platelets. They are 2 to 4 micron in size. About their shape, they are random in shape. They are formed in bone marrow. The main function of platelets is to prevent the hemorrhage. And the platelet have a lifespan of only 5 to 9 days. Thank you.